Hey guys, how you all doing? It's Martin here, and I have the next demo video for you about Emperor Social. In this video we're going to show off our opt-in or connect app, and I've built one already, so just to speed it up a little bit so I don't waste any of your time, I'm just going to go in and show you how it all works and then show you a demo of the front end. So this one I set up, I just based it around a product called Authority ROI by Ryan Dice, just as a real world demo. So we've created the app. It's got 3 pages. We've got a fan gate page, a landing page, and a thank you page. So I'm just going to click into the canvas here and show you everything. So set this all up here. These are all editable widgets. It's all clear enough. I've got a custom background, and I just put a little message asking people for the like. So straightforward enough there. It's quite similar to what I showed you in the other video. The next part is the landing page. Now this is what someone sees after they click like. So we've got a little bit more information. This is taken from the squeeze page or whatever from the this product. So what I've done is I've turned the squeeze page into a Facebook Connect page with the added advantage that captures the user's real Facebook email address so they can't spoof it. And again, this is all, it can be all changed around. It's all drag and drop. Everything's cool. It can all be edited like so. And then we have this part here is the actual connect function, which I'll show you in a moment in the back end how this works. And then we've got some text here, so it's all pretty straightforward. The next part then is the thank you page. I built out a more detailed page here for this particular app because I wanted to make it match what the guys have on their website once they get past the squeeze page. So we've got all the background here. We've got the rectangle background, the logo, all the text, all this stuff here, linking to videos. We've got a flow player video down here, different steps, and then we've got a comment area at the bottom. So all this is pretty similar to what they have on their website, so I wanted to mimic that look. And that's the general canvas part of the app and the design. And you'll see all the stuff about how to edit these in other videos. So I'm just going to show you the application config section, how this be set up. It's pretty straightforward. So we have just some basic settings like title and description, which are more for your own records. You choose the number of pages you want, a fan gate page, which I showed you, and a thank you page. The landing page is compulsory because that's where the connect is done. And then if you want to make the offer only run for a certain amount of time, you have, let's say you want to run it from Saturday till Sunday, and today is Wednesday. So if they come there before Saturday, they get a pre-page, which would be like a countdown or something, or announcing the weekend offer. And then the end of page is the one that shows once the time has elapsed. Then we have the form settings, so we can either go for Facebook Connect, and if you select that, you can use the default blue Facebook button you see, or you can upload a custom image, which I have done in this one. If we were to use the form builder, you select that, and you've got a whole thing here for building the form. This way you can add new fields, you can capture other information as well as just their name and email. You can add all sorts of stuff here, so it could be almost like a survey. So that's a pretty cool function as well. I'm going to leave this one as what we have. Then at the bottom we have some advanced settings here. This is, if you want, you can restrict it by age and stuff like that. This is for the Facebook restrictions that you can add to an app. Not overly important for most apps. Then we have the wall post here. This will post the message, the link, the image, and the title that you define, or you can turn that off and on. And then you can also turn off or on autoresponder integration. If you turn it on, then whatever email they click connect from, it's going to go into your autoresponder list. If you turn it off, it's just going to be captured within the app, and it can be exported in CSV. Then we've got the offer details, which is the start date and the end date, so all pretty clear. And before I show you the app in action, I'm just going to show you the overall app admin now. So here we see these are all the people who've entered already. It's just me messing around testing. It's got pagination and everything, so that's fine. You can delete it all to clear the data, or you can export it into a CSV file. Then you have a preview of your entire app, which appears here. Just generates little screenshots of each part, which is pretty useful for finding your way about. We have the wall posting section where you set up the post image and the title. There's going to be another field here for link, and then we have the description as well. Then autoresponder integration, we have GetResponse, MailChimp and Aweber at the moment. I've set this up for MailChimp, so you just enter your API and click Get List. For Aweber, it's slightly different. You connect via the Aweber API from the link, and GetResponse, they use an API key as well, so I just use MailChimp for this one. And that's pretty much all the settings. So now I'm going to show you how it looks in the front end, and you can see the general flow of the app and the different uses it can have. And actually, just before I show you the demo, this is how someone would publish it. You would select publish here, so I'm just going to unpublish it, and then I'm going to republish it now so you see how that works. You just select from all the pages in your account, so authority ROI, and just click install. So now we're going to jump over here and we're going to check it out now on the front end. So this is a test page I set up. Here we've got the app, so I'm just going to unlike it first. So click here, and see the first part is it's going to ask you to click like. Now this could be anything at all you want. You could have videos here, you could have like buttons, you could have comments, anything you want at all. This is just a particular demo I've set up. So we click like, and now we get the call to action page or whatever. So click to get free instant access. It's got the guys' terms of use and everything here, so we'll click that. Now the app looks for permission to get their email and to post on their behalf, which they could skip if they want. Facebook doesn't allow you to make that compulsory, so click OK, and then we go to the final page here. Just gonna pause the video, and this is the thank you page as defined, and we've got the comments, we've got everything else. So that's everything set up. And then if I go over to, if I went to MailChimp now, out of that email I have the latest entry. I'm going to have the latest entry here in the application admin as well. Let's go to the end. Yeah, you can see all the emails in there already. So that's the overall setup, guys. This is one app of 3 main marketing apps we're going to launch with. So hopefully you like what you see. If you have any questions at all, just let me know and I'll help you out. Thanks.